What happens when your external life outpaces your internal one? This week we explore the split between the felt experience within and the life we conduct outside. There are two types of gardeners in life. This is a very popular metaphor that I use in my framework. The first type of gardener is the one who, upon attending to the plant, does all the necessary work to remove the weeds, give it enough water, put it in the right amount of sunlight, and then lets the plant goes off to do other things. The second type of gardener is the one who does all the necessary to create the plant's environment, the optimal environment, but then doesn't leave, stays by the plant, and having done the work, proceeds to invite or urge the plant to grow faster and taller and with more leaves and bigger leaves and greener leaves, and in the hope that the process can accelerate. Now, the high-functioning individual tends to be the second type of gardener, constantly pushing and achieving and delivering, and in doing so very often becoming very successful individuals. The problem with that is that very often this comes at the expense of the pace of life that is happening within. And so this constant accelerating and pushing ultimately becomes only a faster way of feeling more empty, more hollow, more disillusioned with life. So what's going on with this mismatch? Well, it's important to understand that as human beings, we operate in an organic way that follows certain, let's call them seasonal rhythms. And so when we engage in this very high pressure manner, away from the organic pace and rhythm that we are designed for, we enter some sort of psychological vertigo and end up in this semi-dissociative state where we are drawn and captured by all the activities and the deliveries and the accolades and achievements we receive because of that activity, but we become more and more disconnected from what we are actually experiencing within. Now, obviously, some are designed to be faster and more active than others, but it's important to recognize the rhythm that we naturally have and integrate our external activity with the felt experiences that we have within, so to integrate and unify the outside experience of life with the internal one. And so my reflection for you this week is the following. Sit down, have a think about all your achievements from last year, and ask yourself, when I think about those achievements right now, do I feel they were part of me? Do I feel as an integral component of my life as it unfolded? Or do these achievements feel like something that happened to a stranger? Until next week.